Good noon to all. Today I am going to tell about the respiratory system. Respiratory system anatomy. Structurally, upper respiratory system, nose, pharynx and associated structures. Lower respiratory system, larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. Functionally consists of the respiratory system and conducting zones. Respiratory zone. Site of gas exchange consists of bronchioles, alveoli ducts and alveoli. Conducting zones provides rigid structures for air to reach the sites of gas exchange, includes all the other respiratory structures, example nose, nasal cavity, pharynx and trachea. Nasal cavity lies in the posterior to the external nose, is divided by midline nasal spectrum, opens posteriorly in the nasal pharynx via internal nares. The ethmoid and sphenoid bones from the roof, the floor is formed by the hard and soft platelets. Functions of nose. The only externally visible part of respiratory system that functions by providing an airway for respiration, moisturizing and warming the entering air, filtering inspired air and cleaning it of foreign matter, serving as a resonating chamber of speech, housing the olfactory respirators. Function of nasal mucosa and conchae. During inhalation, the conchae and nasal mucosa filter heat and moisten air. During exhalation, these structures reclaim heat and moisture, minimize heat and moisture loss. Paranasal sinuses. Sinuses in bone that surround the nasal cavity. Sinuses lighten the skull and help to warm and moisten the air. Pharynx. It is divided into three regions: nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx lies posterior to the nasal cavity, inferior to the sphenoid, and superior to the level of the soft palate. Strictly an air passageway lined with serous stratified columnar epithelium. Closes during swallowing to prevent food from entering the nasal cavity. The pharyngeal tonsil lies high on the posterior wall. Pharyngotympanic auditory tubes open into the lateral walls. Oropharynx extends inferiorly from the level of the soft palate to epiglottis. Serves as common passageway for food and air. The epithelial lining is productive, stratified squamous epithelium. Palatine tonsils lies in the lateral walls. Lingual tonsil cover the basal base of the tongue. Laryngopharynx serves as a common passageway for food and air, lies posterior to the upright epiglottis, extend to the larynx where the respiratory and digestive pathways diverge. Larynx short passageway connecting laryngopharynx with trachea, composed of 9 pieces of cartilage, thyrocartilage and Adam's apple, and cricocartilage, hallmark for the tracheotomy.